The cake has been iced. Alrighty, let's make a strawberry cake. Here's the cake mix that I use for my strawberry cake. First, we're going to add the mix. And then we're going to add the butter. Then we're going to add the milk. And then we're going to add 4 eggs. And then we're going to mix it up, whisk it. Alrighty, after we mix it and get it blended really well, we're going to put it in a 9x13 pan. Get it all spread out. Best way to do that is beat it on the table. Then we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for about 24 to 28 minutes. Going in the oven. In the oven. Alrighty, out of the oven, we're going to let it cool down for a little bit before we put the strawberry icing on. Here's the icing I use for my strawberry cake. All right, the cake is cool. Let's go ahead and put some strawberry frosting on it. The cake has been iced and it looks delicious. There's a slice of really moist strawberry cake and it looks delicious. If you want to see more recipes by me, subscribe. Until next time, see ya!